Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys. It's a sunny day, and the cheerful pink ice cream truck is rolling down the street with a smile. But look! The giant sun shines brighter and hotter than ever. The ice cream truck arrives at the park, ready to serve delicious treats to the kids. Oh no! The ice cream inside is starting to melt. The sun blazes down, and the poor ice cream truck begins to sweat.
Oh no!
Drips of ice cream slide down its colorful stickers. This is bad. The ice cream truck looks panicked, calling out for help. Suddenly, at the fire station, the brave red fire truck hears the call. With determination, the fire truck speeds down the road, racing to the park. The fire truck rushes in through the gate just in time. NANI? The ice cream truck's eyes sparkle with hope as the fire truck arrives. The fire truck quickly gets ready, extending its shiny ladder and hose. Click! The fire truck connects the water line and prepares to spray. A cool mist sprays into the hot air, floating over the ice cream truck. Steam rises from the ground as the mist surrounds the ice cream truck. The melting slows down, yes! It's working! A rainbow forms above the trucks, and everyone smiles with relief. The children cheer and clap, their ice creams safe once again.
Ice cream! Fire truck!
The fire truck sprays a gentle mist one more time, cooling the whole park. The ice cream truck checks its freezer. Everything is solid again. With a big, grateful smile, the ice cream truck thanks the brave fire truck. Together, they serve cool, tasty treats to the happy children. The fire truck gives a cheerful siren honk. Mission accomplished. The ice cream truck waves happily as the fire truck raises its ladder proudly. And so, under the smiling sun, the fire truck and ice cream truck celebrate a sweet and happy day. See you again!